Dead fox. That fox has been there for a wee while.
Is it?
Aye. At least a week. And he's still behind that car. Aye.
Used to know. Don't overtake you by the middle of the road, shite.
Yeah. Like you'll get him at the lights up here. Hey, he's keeping his distance for me anyway, isn't he?
Aye. Well, he's doing 50.
I'm doing 45.
He's doing 48.
Did you get a spy at the temperature before you left?
9.
9. Well, that's no bad. Not too shabby. This jacket's brilliant, it really is. No chill whatsoever.
This body warmer has made a difference.
Alright, well.
I'm not getting under my leathers.
You know.
Nah. I get fucking hell last week.
Just your knickknacks.
Yep.
Oh, you're brave. Right, you getting past this car?
I'll get past.
These lights, they should be gone in the next few weeks. I'm sure that I read a sign.
She's been away with it.
I'm sure I read a sign saying that they were finishing up in November, eh? Yeah, they've been here since April. And it was supposed to be 7 weeks. That was in April, and we're now into the end of October.
This road better than I do, so I'll follow.
Aye, follow me. I know every rut and bend and twist and pothole and everything on this road. There we go.
Not even that cold, to be fair.
Nah, it's not. There's not a lot of wind, eh, so that helps.
I've got my visor up, it's actually alright.
Yeah, not typical. Another red light. The lights know I'm coming. They're like, here the fuck comes Sean. Let's go to red. Hello.
It's definitely not as cold today, is it?
Nah. It actually feels warmer today than what it did last week. But mind you, Alec, last week we were fucking hooring it.
The Sunday?
Last week when we went down to Abington.
Just about, eh?
We were giving it beans. Hello, stonemason. Masons. And she knows.
Yeah, after last Sunday, I've got no issues getting around the right hand bend there.
Have you no?
Nah.
Brilliant. You get through the lights?
Through. It's lovely today, isn't it?
Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. You get in the left hand lane here, Alec, rather than sit behind all the dafties. I think we'll avoid the city centre, Alec, because there's a 10k run on the day, eh?
Aye, whatever you want.
So we'll take a wee left here and we'll go round by Ball Green.
You live not far from here in Carrick now.
That's right, aye, just further than that way. Used to steal golf balls there for the golf course when I was a boy. Piss the golfers off.
We change going through the town though, eh?
Aye.
Just straight roads all the time.
Yeah. Aye, it makes a wee change, eh?
You walk around this way at night.
Get round these cunts.
That's a stupid place to have fucking traffic lights, eh?
It's ridiculous. Well, we'll go for a sneaky wee filter up to the front, Alec.
Aye, go for it.
We're going straight up the hill here.
But you've got a bike?
Yep, definitely. That's why I like bringing the bike to work, because I can get into work in no time. And usually it's absolutely rammed with cars, eh? So you're right round them, eh? And we'll go round the front of these or not. There's temporary lights up here as well. Well, there certainly was the other day there. Aye, the lights are still here. He shit himself, that's why he took it.
That was a bit naughty.
It was, but you've got to be naughty, because if you're no naughty, Alec, they'll just fucking sit there. Seeing he's sitting there doing 20. So I think I made the right decision.
It's just speed limit here.
20. But he's a goody two shoes. I'm going to do 20. I'm not a lawbreaker.
Behind them.
I'm going to do what they tell me to do, even although it should be a 30.
Now I'm going to sit at 20 in front of you.
You're going to miss these lights. You're too far back. I'll just slow down.
Young ladies out cycling.
How are you for cobblestones?
I think.
Right, we'll go this way then. The state of these roads are okay, and this is the capital city. Absolute disgrace.
I used to cycle in these.
Or a cunt in the wet like.
Raced on these in France, Belgium.
Yeah. Aye, but
On the way there.
aye, but in France and Belgium they would have been perfectly smooth. Unlike this shite, they're like a storm in the North Sea. I think we'll go round them now.
Across the road.
I know.
Across the road.
Yeah, let's go.
Get round there.
Aye.
I didn't near miss the traffic lights.
If you're not fast, you're last.
I know.
Right, at the next set of traffic lights, take a left.
Okay.
And I'll pull in and wait on you. So take a left into Hamilton Place and I'll wait at the bus stop. Yeah, see you now. Right, you?
Yep.
Come on, you cunt, fucking pass. The lights took a while to change, did they not?
I had to fucking have it.
I'm getting round this cunt, Alec. This is fucking day my tit, son. Fucking sitting having a picnic, that cunt.
That wee dog was going fucking mental for some reason.
It's probably saying to its owner, look over there, there's a fucking fandom trying to drive a car. Take a left here. Oh, hello horn. Because that road's shut at the end. We'll take a right here.
Quite good coming through town.
Aye, I like it. I like it. There's a space at the front, there is.
Hello.
Hello. Hola.
Your indicator's gone. Yeah, I've been down to do that for fucking weeks.
I know you have. You got me. Gotcha.
That's the first time.
I'm normally quite good with my indicators, eh?
I'm quite good with them as well. Leaving the fuckers on.
Aye.
Right, the trams comes in this way now, eh?
Aye, they go down to New Haven, eh? Just as you exit this junction, they put a track in, obviously, for the traffic lights. And it's sunk. I think they've filled it in again, but it's starting to sink again, eh?
Good hell.
Oh! What a fanny. Aye. Starting to sink again. Now they put a no left turn up here, see it?
Uh-huh.
Because I think they're going to put a ULEZ camera just up here. So if you want to go to,
road, isn't it?
if you want to go along London Road, you're going to have to come up, double back on yourself around this triangle, get hit with a ULEZ camera just to go out of town. So they're going to force you to come into town to get pinged with the camera, and if you're non-compliant, I think it's a £60 fine, and then that's how they're going to get you. Look at this. This is a Sunday.
This doesn't like the slow traffic.
Oh, that's Chris. Wee wave film. No. I can't even get up the outside. It's just a bit too tight, like. That was Bob.
Alright, so had my heated grips on today. Been great.
Mine's are switched off now. And you're saying that these gloves that I've got on, they're really good. I bought these about 2 or 3 years ago.
With me until fucking March next year.
2 years ago.
So November, December, January, February, March, April. He's still on the bike for what, 5 months?
Aye.
So look at this cunt here, that's not a fucking push bike.
I know. And there's a nice cycle box for them, and they're sitting it. Oh no, the red light's too good for him.
Right through the red light.
I know. Nice cycle box for them, but they don't sit in it, they sit in front of it.
No crash at, fuck all.
Through another red light. Itchy nose.
It's good to come into town in the bike and just get your start stops and fucking whatever.
You're filtering.
Sit that. That's fucking boring, isn't it?
Yeah.
So I tell you what, some nice houses up here, eh?
Yeah, they're
Wouldn't live in Edinburgh though.
No, neither would I. They're mostly bed and breakfasts.
That's nice. 2 houses joined by a big glass box.
Aye, that was the MOTO hotel. Are you not coming through?
Nah.
No. Right, we'll go up the Gilmerton Road.
Oh look, I'll just go between that fucking mini and he'll drive off.
Aye.
Driver.
Nah, these lights tend to hang at red for a while. So, once we get through these lights, at the next set of lights we'll take a left.
Right, okay.
And go up the Gilmerton Road.
Fucking holes in this.
I know. Rutted to fuck back there at the bus stop. Rutted to fuck. The roads are sunk, eh? Tell you, I'm not cold at all. I haven't felt the cold once.
My hands are not cold.
There's no part of me cold.
Body warmer underneath my jacket made a massive difference.
Yeah, well I've got the hooded fleece on under my jacket. And I've got my base layers on as well. See, every fucking traffic light in Edinburgh, they've got that stupid fucking thing for the cyclists. So when the cycle light goes on first, then you've got to wait again, and then the main lights change. Fucking ridiculous.
That's why we stay out of town, Sean.
I know. See, there's the cycle light on now.
Yep.
Fucking ridiculous.
2 seconds to get across there.
And wait till you see this abortion up here on the left. It's a segregated cycle lane for about, what?
Oh no, this is just crazy.
100 metres?
Look at it, there's no cunt in it.
No. Fucking waste of time. Waste of money, that's millions.
Aye. Same with these things on the right hand side, but what the fuck's that for?
I know. Oh, they had the fucking cones right up here, the bollards right up here.
More dangerous coming out your fucking drive.
During the scandemic, eh? Well, we're nearly at J&S. Watch that, roads are rutted.
Oh, I've seen it.
And here we are. I'll just park it against the fence, eh?
Putting your padlock on it?
Aye. I'm fucking right, I'm putting the padlock on it here.
Well, you put your bike in.
I'll chain the bikes together.
Opposite way. Aye. But what I'll do is I'll just go. Yeah?
Aye. I'll just get in so we only take up one space, eh? Oh, right, let's get these chained up. Because I'll fucking steal the sugar at your tea here.
Really?
Aye.